walk down, it looks like there's mostly 3 to 4 footers. There's a little one brewing up over there. But then every once in a while there's like a 4 to 6. So if I'm patient, I might get a big one today.
Come on. That was a fun one. Little nose ride practice. Not quite hanging 5, but getting up there. Tied up. That was pretty funny. I tried to walk the nose to the so I could make that small wave work. My foot wasn't moving and I realized it was wrapped around the leash. Good times. That one was really weird. It's super slow, but I didn't stop. That's too bad. I shouldn't have ridden that one as far as I did. I landed in a huge pile of kelp. Now I'm just dragging it with my leash. I'm gonna have to take it off when I get deep. Good times.